Hello everyone, welcome back. So here I am with another makeup tutorial. This is an all drugstore Valentine's makeup look. This is a matte soft look that was requested by one of you guys, and I'm glad that you did because I really enjoy this look. And once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, if you haven't liked this video, please do so now. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified of any future videos. Anything else that you guys would like to see from me, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm always looking for suggestions and looking to do what you guys want. And without further ado, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I bring you guys a drugstore Valentine's makeup look. One of you guys had requested an all matte soft Valentine's Day look, so this is what I'm doing here. And I see that I have a couple of new subscribers. Welcome, my name is Sisi and I'm glad to have you guys here with me. So I'm going to start off by using this dewy smooth foundation. It's probably too dark for me right now, but we'll just see. This is in the color 315 Soft Honey. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this Age Aligned Maybelline concealer, and this is in the color Neutralizer, and we're going to go ahead and highlight and conceal. Sometimes it might look like a lot, but this concealer is actually very thin, so it doesn't get caked up or anything like that. Put some of my eyelids. This is how I like to prime my eyelids with concealer. I find that it works really well. And I'm taking this sponge here and we're just blending that out. So I feel like it's probably going to be a little too light right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this L'Oreal True Match Concealer in Light Medium W45. Just add a little bit of that here. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with this NYC smooth skin face powder. This is another one that I like to use at the drugstore. I'm just pushing the powder into the skin. Also setting the concealer on the eyelids. So we're just going to go ahead and leave the face like this, and then we'll come back to it. And I'm going to go ahead and start by doing my eyebrows. And this is the NYX brow pencil in Ash Brown. So I'm just pretty much like outlining. Okay, so I'm going to start this look by using the Carlibybel palette, and we're going to go ahead and take this color right here. We're going to use this as a transition color. And I love that this palette has a mirror. And then we're gonna take this color right here, this brown color, and we're gonna use this just directly in the crease. So you don't want to take this color up as high as the transition color. And I'm just focusing that color in that crease. I have another look that I did using this palette that I think will be nice for Valentine's, so I'll have that link down below and I have it right up here. Taking some of the transition color and just making sure there's no harsh lines. So now to deepen up the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and use this mauve tone right here. And I'm focusing this color just like towards the outer V. So don't bring this color all the way in, just about like halfway. And I'm going back with that previous blending brush and I'm just blending that into the crease. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this, let me show you, this is a little dirty. I'm going to go ahead and use this blush palette here, and we're going to use this for the eyes. And I'm applying that in the outer corner. Just blending that just right up into the crease, just slightly, and I'm just packing up that color till I'm happy with the intensity of it. The Carlibybel palette, and I'm going to take this matte shade right here and I'm going to put that in the crease. Not in the crease. I'm going to put that color into the eyelid. Yeah, I'm not taking any additional product. I'm just taking the blending brush and just making sure there's no harsh lines. As for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and just mix those two colors that we put in. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and take that mauve color and just put it in the outer lower lash line. I'm just connecting those. I'm going to take that matte brow bone color that we used on the lid. So I'm not going to do any liner. The request was to do a soft matte look, no liner. But because we're going to go in with some lashes, I'm just going to like pretty much just stamp that lash line like this. Just like stamping it. See here, and that was the skinny tip eyeliner from Wet n Wild. Off the face, I'm going to start with my favorite product, and this is the bronzer, and I just picked this up the other day. I saw Amy Macedo, if that's how you say her name, and she said this was one of her favorite drugstore bronzers, so I figured I'd give it a try. and I have to agree with her. This is a really nice bronzer. It gives you a nice glow. And I'm going to go in with these two blushes right here. And I think I'm going to go in with this Milani liquid lipstick in the color Adorable. And I'm gonna just put on some mascara. And I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula highlight. I feel like this gives it a nice glow to the skin. This is a definite underrated product at the drugstore. These are the lashes that I'm putting on. These are it right here. And I'll also leave a link down below. So I decided to leave the lower lash line just bare. I'm not adding any mascara. I feel like it just gives it a soft look. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified of any future videos. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.